Hi, my name is Greg. I'm a systems and network administrator. I would give Join.me a 2 out of 5 star rating. For more reviews like this, please click below. For using JoinMe, I've used LogMeIn, I've used TeamViewer, I've used, the standard RDP through Microsoft. Pretty much anything out there I've tried. The reasons I chose JoinMe were because ease of deployment. I needed something simple that clients could actually install themselves and get me connected to their system remotely to take care of whatever I needed to take care of. Originally, and I'm going back again, 5+ years, Join.me was very easy to integrate. Um, However, as they've updated and changed the software up to the current version that you'll find today, it has gotten drastically more complicated and convoluted. It has become more difficult for people to install, and for our employees, it has been much more difficult for people that aren't so computer savvy to actually navigate the install process and initial setup themselves. So it's gotten quite cumbersome. For anybody out there that is considering using JoinMe for their company, the best advice I can give you is hopefully you have some computer savvy people that work there. And if not, I hope you got some patience like a saint does, because you're going to get frustrated.